Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling location and granting permissions. This ensures apps can read GPS. Open your preferred Maps or Messaging app next because that's where you'll make the shareable link. Tap the blue dot or My Location and create a share action or copy the coordinates, latitude and longitude, so you control the format. Once done, choose whether to send a static point or enable real-time sharing. Make that decision now, since it changes the next steps. You now pick the sharing method, messages for quick delivery, email for formal records, or create link for broader access, because each has different privacy trade-offs. If you need precision, wait a few seconds for GPS lock and use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth beacons to improve accuracy. Add a label, address, or ETA to the message so recipients understand why you sent it. Also, set a time limit for real-time sharing if the app supports it, to protect your privacy after arrival. You finish by confirming the recipient can view the location, ask for a reply or screenshot to be sure. When you're done sharing, stop live location or delete the link to prevent continuous tracking. If something goes wrong, first toggle location off and on, restart the app, and check permissions and mobile data or Wi-Fi. These steps usually fix visibility problems. If accuracy remains poor, move to an open area for a better GPS fix, and then resend the updated location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.